In this video, I'm going to solve one question from the chapter Lines and Angles, class 9th, based on the property called linear pair, or also called linear pair axiom. Now, what does it say is that, as you can see, there's a figure given over here, figure 10.6.10, as you can see here. It says there's a ray that is OS, which stands on a line. So it is important to note that PQ is already given a line, right? And there are two more rays, and these are OR, and the other ray is OS, right? These rays, right, are such that these bisects the angle. That means OR is the bisector of this angle POS, and OT is the bisector of this angle, that is SOQ. Now, that means we can write these angles. Let's say, for example, if I say this angle, I can name these two angles equal. So I marked it X. Okay, fine. We shouldn't mark X here because X itself is an angle. So I'll use some other variable, say A be the value of this angle, B be this, sorry, A be this again. Why? Because this ray bisects this angle. So these two angles will be equal. It's already mentioned in the figure also. And I took this angle as B each. Now, what I said first is that this question is based on the linear pair axiom, so which says that if a ray, the property says that if a ray stands, right, over a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So this is what I'm going to use here. So for that, what I'll do here, first we'll write this angle, that is POS, plus the angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. Property, you may write this one. Now, you should know that the sum of angles, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree from the property. Now, what you can see here, that I can split this POS as angle A plus angle A, and SOQ as angle B plus angle B. This is equal to 180 degree. So A plus A I can write twice A, B plus B I can write twice B is equal to 180 degree. So if I take A as common, sorry, 2 as common, so we get A plus B is equal to 180 degree. So I can further say that this is 180 over 2. Now look into this. Say if I erase this part and this part, we have this angle A plus angle B, and I can replace this A plus B with angle ROT, that is angle ROT. This is A plus B's angle ROT, which is 180 over 2, that is 90 degree. So this is what we have to find, the value of angle ROT, and we calculated this as 90 degree. Now, there's one thing that you should know, that in an examination, the reverse of this question also comes. So in that case, you may be given the value of this angle as 90 degree, and we have to prove that this is a line.